here. So right now, if you guys don't know what is happening today, it's the chill spot. You know, once we're there up on the chill spot, you know, say, yo, we are going to interview somebody. So today we have one of Jamaican baddest. You understand me? If you don't know who this, we're not going to know who today. The man name is Jigsy King, one of the legend them in this. So Jigsy, they're on the live right now. I say, big up yourself, Jigsy. Welcome to the chill spot, isn't it?
Cool, no brother, man. Think enough respect, my brother. Big up, big up, big up, big up.
For real, man. If you can step back a little bit from, pull the camera a little bit so the people can see who are Jigsy. Come on, the people know Jigsy, you know. So when them see Jigsy out in the streets, them know, say, yo, a Jigsy, this, you know. So Jigsy, I want to welcome you, and we have a lot of people here checking in, and they want to know a lot about you, right? So today, I just want to bring them back in where you started in. You understand me? The music something. Yeah. Because we have people over on teamentertainmentradio.com. So we have people over there, we have people over here just checking in. You understand me? So we want to know, the people want to know, your fans want to know, where did you grow up in Jamaica?
Okay, my man has a respect. Salute to everybody. Give all praises to God. Okay, birth name is Errol Alfonso King, artist name Jigsy King. I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and moved at early age. I come to St. Catherine, living Linstead. Big up every Linstead people, you know. I grew up in a place named New Yorks, you know, and from New Yorks to Linstead, Rosemount and Charlemont and everywhere. So when I say praises to country on Linstead, but I really torn my bands to the
big up, so yes, sir, big up the country people, because country nice. So big up everybody from down Linstead. You understand?
Yeah, I love town body, you know, but I give all praises to Linstead.
You understand me? I don't Linstead, I like Linstead. Linstead a nice place. So Jigsy, we want to give the people a little bit of culture and knowledge about Jigsy King. So Jigsy King grew up in Kingston and he lived in country, which I am place, right? When did your music...
I born a town and grew up a country.
Oh, okay, you born a town, grew up a country. Okay.
Yeah.
And which school you used to go, Jigsy?
I used to, I used to attend Linstead College School. And okay, then I go to Dintil Technical High School. Big up every Dintil. And then I live from Dintil, we get transfer and I go to Kingston College, KC. So big up all of the general, I got Kingston College, KC. You understand? So from Dintil to Kingston College.
Yeah, man, for real, man. So when you notice, when you decide to do music, Jigsy, when did you decide to do music?
It was always inside of me, you know. It was all inside of me because I'm living at a Bower Bank. Them time my father have a son down the name King Jamie, you know. And then at them time my father I cut up a dub plate, you know. And so I grew up and see all of the stars them time, you know. I grew up and see the Johnny has burned them and the early Shabba Rankin and the Ninja Man them and the Wayne Wonder them and all of the great one them. Yes, and the Alton Ellis them and the Dennis Brown them used to come on my father yard. All of the great one them. Yes, and so I'm from my father's son, from my father's son, then in a Linstead now, then, you know, my teacher was Bebop captain. Big up Bebop captain in the America and General Force and Flanky Joe, rest in peace. I understand. And so in a Linstead with Tony Curtis' father, Bobby sold him. So everybody play a major role in our life. With, you understand, Shaka Wanda them and Double Ugly them and all in a Linstead them time there.
A whole heap of history behind that, man. So did you start singing first, or were you a DJ first? What was your first thing you started to do in music?
I sing, Mr. Sing, man. I sing, Mr. Sing first. Cause Mr. Sing, you know, and Curtis is a DJ, you know. So Mr. name Sing Jigsy, and Curtis is a name. Curtis is the name Ranking Scary.
Okay, it's history, man, history. So Jigsy, you used to play sound before, or
no?
Never play sound before.
No, it's a selector no name. A selector not take my name and name Jigsy and start play sound. No, a football I used to play, no.
Okay.
Football I used to play, I used to play that Casa Confidential, and then I play Manning Coffee. Yeah, I play Manning Coffee KC.
So you're a bad footballer then. Bad
No, then I
ball.
play outside anybody. I mean, I play outside left. Me go play outside left for KC that time. Me I play forward for KC was me I play outside left and center forward was Salah, Errol Lewis and up on the right is Herbert Richard. Little black boy, there was me.
Okay, little sharp black boy.
No, look at tall black boy.
Yes, we probably so. If you never know, sir, Jigsy King was a great baller, you understand me?
Yeah.
Bad left flank out there. So, Jigsy, when did you start singing, like saying you're going to studio and recording like your first, or what was your first entrance in the music industry?
Okay, listen to this now. That's why I can't stop love woman, you know, because you are going now. A girl I used to go to school, I didn't deal with, you know, she named Rona Allen. So she went to go Ochi. I used to link her them time, I go and place in Guysville. Pick up everybody from Guysville, you know, Redwood and all that places, you know. And we used to go, so she leave Dintil and start go Ochi because she have family down there and get her work down there. But through them time, I love her because I'm a school love.
Yeah, man.
So she go Ochi now, then through me I play ball them time because I say ball, I go make bus big and buy car them time because I love football bad. So them time you know them have a side on a center on them time now Uchi. Then Black Star. So what we do is just go Black Star, go link up Eccles them and Brad. And so I reach down there now, I go play football along there. And then one night I walk go a club, go James Avenue and walk up in a roof nightclub. So me someone up there DJ, I say, but wait. But me not practice that thing here. From me there I didn't tell them I go to KC and I practice it. And Bieber captain them and some tell myself say, you know what, we can't do that thing here, you know. But I'm going to enter the contest up, but you know, I'm coming around fourth. But anyway, I get a little money, so I tell myself, say, you know, say, we can't do that something here. We can't do that something here. So I just, it come on when I get, I take it and go back to Linstead. I go check Curtis, I'm check Curtis. You know, some money there at Ochi. That time Curtis was a chef, you know.
What on there?
Tony Curtis a chef them time there. So I see in that kitchen and I say, brother, take out the whites up there for your head, you know. Take that white thing there for your head. Come go to Ochi, money there at Ochi. And then cost me, I say, Jigsy, if you remember, go to Ochi, I mean, I make the money, you know. Because them time... But
things happen.
The beauty about it was something inside of us, you know. And then, you know, and God himself, you know, place himself in our life, you know, to say, youth, you can't this, you know. And I saw me leave from Linstead and down at Ochi. And I just tell myself, say, you know, from football to the studio.
So now,
yeah, man.
What was your first song that you recorded in the studio? The first song.
I can't add a year, you know.
I said, what was the first song that you recorded in the studio?
Wait, just a minute.
What is the first song that you recorded? What your first song you recorded?
The first song I sing was Real Up. The first song I sing for Roof was Real Up, was Real Up, but the first song I sing the Kid.
What was that?
Was Billy the Kid.
Okay, Billy the King. That was Billy the Kid was your first recorded song, right? Billy the Kid was your first recorded song, right? Yeah, come like somebody I call him, God.
Yeah, but more find a way of a black after they call him. Cause my phone not gonna stop ringing. All right.
We understand.
My first song I sing was Billy the Kid. We get wicked, robust vegan pan rapid, and the new name vegan man, Billy the Kid we get. That was first song.
Okay, so you said the next song that you said you sung before was Real Up, right? That wasn't recorded.
No, the second song was Real Up, my first number one.
Your first number one was Real Up. So right now, you're more you give the people a piece of that song there. So who they on the live right now? Big up Dancehall Room, big up Jamaica trending, big up everyone that is here logging in, Norway locking in, Sweden locking in, Switzerland locking in, and all of US locking in. Everybody we are locking right now. The man himself there, so Jigsy King, and him got introduce one of the baddest songs they remember sing. You understand me? And it name real up. So Jigsy, give him a piece of it.
Girl beginning, you make it just you shine like a sun. You know the one place. What more you do, girl? You just reel up. Girl, you know about girl, cause I can see so. Girl, when you walk on road, reel up. Woman, they're expensive and that. You know about girl, cause I know about girl fucking me to eat you. So you look sweeter than them. Them eat you. So you look nicer than them. Them eat you. But them can't knock your body. Them eat you. So you have your one at work. You just reel up. Girl, you know about girl, cause I can see so. Girl, when you walk on road, reel up. Woman, they're expensive and that. You know about girl, cause I know about girl. Me up to do that. That shit where.
I will get us started at the stage show, brother. At the stage show. So who no know who they are today? The man himself, Jigsy, in the building. You understand me? Yeah, that's what me. So Jigsy dropped that bad song, you know. His first song was Billy the Kid. And him forward and drop real up. And the place start go mad for Jigsy. Jigsy, you feel
straight
good, right?
Number one. Straight to number one, you go. Real up, so go straight to number one.
When you get that song at Jigsy, how was your feel? How did you feel for the first big entry in a dancer? What was your feeling at that time?
It was nice, you know. It was a nice feeling, you know. Say everywhere I go in a Jamaica, and every time I turn on the radio, yeah, real up. Every party, every fete, every school thing, it was just real up. So, but me didn't know, say
for real.
It would just start because the man them who me there around. Let me know, so look.
Yeah.
Shh. Keep a calm head. You're just ready. You don't do nothing yet, you know. You don't do nothing yet. You're just ready to start. Launch out. And that's what all I do. I listen to the great them. You know, from early, me listen to all of the great them from early. So me just say, all right, genius. All right, if I say that, let's start work.
For real. So, Jigsy, before you got into music itself, who was your icons? Like, you have some icon and you know, say, oh, them man, I love how them sing and me go be like them, or who was your icon?
Oh, easy. It was too easy. Shabba Rankin.
Shabba,
Papa San, Lieutenant All right, Shabba, Papa San, Lieutenant Stitchy, from once you do music locally, Jamaica, me respect all of them who was before I and I. The Babandi, the Barrington Levy, the Juna Demos, the Tiger, the Admiral Bailey, yes, that's name, the Johnny P them, the Johnny, that's name, cause guess what? Everybody was before me.
For real.
Everybody was before me.
For real, man. Big up everyone that's logging in the chat room, and hail up to the DJ that's live right now. Jigsy King is in the building, but people are called Jigsy King like crazy because you know, say my star. So people, if you're logging in, Jigsy King is live. Please don't call Jigsy King. Please don't call Jigsy King. Please share the live if you're just logging in. So Jigsy, get him big song, and no turn Curtis must have said, boy, but they glad Jigsy take me from down a Lindsay that we go watch you, right?
Definitely.
Can't complain now. So what was it like after that?
Too much number one song. Song like, what come after that was oh man, cock up your body and ride. When you see a melty and she don't look nice. Girl, the dust, cock up your body and ride. Them a chat behind about, but don't pay them no mind. Girl, show you look good, girl, show you look nice. Girl, out the road and over. Song like, what come after again? Then woman, I forget about the girl, why you body bad? Nobody can tell me I no give from God. Can't feel about the girl, why you body bad? Nobody can say, girl, woman, when you use band, your body make your body so smooth. I forget about me, I tell you the truth. Walk by road, man, say yo, and song like, girl, I first, girl, I fight over your man. And I do, and we do, move and go long. Girl, I first, girl, I song like, woman, put on your dear clothes, I'm on them. Your pretty face, I give them problem, girl. All right, watch out. watch on. Be a number one. Do you catch a new Bramlick butterfly? Dance butterfly on the latest style. The latest style where the young girls them like. Dance butterfly on the latest style. Watch on. Watch on. Watch me and Curtis on. Watch me and Curtis done. Number one again, me and Curtis done. There is nothing like the real thing, baby. Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. 1,000,000. I just had the DJ crazy. Ain't nothing like the real thing. Girl, get the name on the wall. You can't get. Fierce and take life on your body perfect. Get the name on the car. I gotta run down the boat, them on these if they get. Can jump and say yes. Now hear me now. Now hear me now.
Hold out! Yo, lad, right now, you give me a complete stage show. Everybody that's locking on must be enjoying themselves because I am enjoying myself. The fans haven't been seeing you for a while and you get some new fans today. All if I want, you understand me? You get new fans because it's like the energy where you have. You understand me? The energy where you have. It's great, my God. You understand me?
Now you know, you know. I'm gonna start sing it song yet. I'm start sing a song yet.
So how long have you been in the business so far?
My boss 1993, so do the maths.
All right, people.
Jigsy King arrived in the business from 1993.
Okay.
You understand? So, you know, and 5 albums, 5. I mean, I talk about no look at joke song. I talk about real song. But the beauty about it, we love people and put people first.
Yeah.
So you can't take the album and take away everything, but leave me and the people them. Because people make me look at. Remember me so walk and beg, you know. Me so suffer about it, you know. So people make me. You understand? And me no turn back money. And me no know. Me love people. And people make artists, so no artists don't show up on people. Respect to the ground for give me that interview here. And people make we. All of the hosts now by Jamaica by artists, by artists. And Uno, read personality, and the people them give thanks, me love Uno. So artists never show up. Talent, no talent and not something you bring and show off with. And the item who they're England and Canada, all over Europe and all over the world. Uno. The artists never show up on when us stop, we're supposed to stop. And hard working money. And hard working money God know what to do. We love one of them. Nobody know nobody but Jigsy King love everybody. The man who come out in the snow, the man who come out, the man come out in the rain, the man who go do this, the man who buy this, the man who plays, I love the item. I don't want to see my DJ friend and my singer. I love the people them.
I understand.
People come
once
first,
you have
brother.
love are the greatest. For real, man. Once you have love are the greatest. So, Jigsy, now you have been in the music industry from 90 how long? From Saltfish and Shingles, all right?
Yeah.
Till now. So, from then till now, if there was one thing you could change, right?
What do you say?
What would it be? I said, you have been in music for a long time now, right? And can you hear me?
Yeah, repeat back again.
All right. You have been in music for a while now, right? So is there any one thing, right? If you could change, what would it be?
All right.
People, please stop calling the DJ. I cut off the DJ live, man. I beg you to please stop calling the DJ. Big up everyone that's locking in right now. Big up himself, DJ Poppy. Big up Nick. Yeah, hear me now, DJ, right? The DJ I cut off a little bit. Big up everyone in the chat room. Big up everyone on teamlentertainment.com. Quincy, big up yourself. Street G Entertainment, big up on yourself. Shades, bless up, big up yourself. Original Keys, big up on yourself. Everyone that's locking in and sharing the live, big up on yourself. All right, the man, Dominica, big up yourself. Lady Anna, big up yourself. Everyone that's sharing and locking in, Maestro, big up yourself. Them name us sometime. Short Boss, big up yourself. Yes, Jigsy. The question that I asked was, if you could change any one thing in the past, what would it be?
Well, that's what I mean. You hear me? Wait.
Hear now.
Yeah, but I can't see my face. Hold on, that's a minute. That's a minute. Over there, let me do. My ear, I can't see.
I want to know stop.
That's a minute. Wait. That's a minute.
Yeah, man, it's okay.
How you doing, man? I don't know how callers come in and I don't know if I chip in. I tell the manager, don't call me, then it's a that call.
Big up everyone, big up Renz Brooks, big up Lyndon Thomas, big up everyone. Flowly Don, at Bella, big up yourself. Everyone that's chipping in, sharing the link dancehall room. Everyone, Vinny, West, big up yourself. Quest, Jam, big up yourself. Quest, DJ Pops, big up yourself, the whole team. You understand me? I say unstoppable, big up yourself. Everyone that's locking in and sharing the link. Right now, the man himself is here in the building. One of the great generals them, you understand me? So we're gonna add him back to the live. We're gonna play a song. And those who I'm up the chat room, say everybody will know, say what? Soca in the ear. So let's play some music until the DJ come back on live. Pick up everyone that's still locking in with us. And everybody goes so.
You
know how it is. The artist is back. He's back in the building.
Now you're going now. You're going. I'm apologize.
No, man, that's okay, man. That's
no,
okay.
No, I'm not joke when it comes to interview and dealing with people. Because you're going now. But that telephone day one said directly, me, you have to get something special for me, you know, cause my phone line I will continue to run like crazy, you know. So you understand, it'll be very, very hard. I mean, I like I do interview and it'll cut. But my phone I got constant run. I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking to you and look, me see Barris. Mr. Barris call me.
Yeah.
That's done. So, but the problem is, me never tell nobody so I do the interview. So if everybody the on the phone, I try to call me. What?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, man. I understand what you're saying. You just mentioned Barris Hammond just right now, right? Yeah, man. I understand. You just mentioned Barris Hammond just now. So, on that note, I'm going to play one of your brand new tracks featuring the man himself, Barris Hammond. You understand me? So, this one is entitled Love is Getting Stronger by the man himself, Jigsy. Featuring.
Once you the boss control.
This is a brand new song from the man himself, Jigsy. And the one and only Barris Hammond. No, brand new.
I'm up in the morning.
Just one and the radio rock song.
I gotta drop it one more time.
Once you the boss control. You get stronger in a minute, baby.
Song is entitled Love is Getting Stronger by the man himself, Jigsy King and Barris Hammond. Ladies and gentlemen, guess what?
I'm up in the morning.
I'm as a team blue.
Worry and fret. The longer I'm away from you, the harder it gets. So all along, can't understand how I can grow.
No, that song here.
I can't live alone.
I just can't understand it.
Cause this love gets stronger in the mornings. This love gets.
Yes, I gotta pull it up one more time.
Big song.
What's up?
Big song.
No, that song your bag, Jigsy. Your bag, no,
Big
that song
song.
2020.
At the boss.
I'm up in the morning.
Jigsy, me go while you sing your part of the song, you know. Anytime your part come in, while you do the acapella feel.
The harder it gets. So all along, can't understand how a grown man can.
Pick up Red Brooks. I just can't DJ Pappy Silky Day.
Cause this love gets stronger in the mornings. This love gets deeper.
Before I break up.
How this hurt gets harder in the day. Still I can't go.
The phone is a broke up.
Are you ready?
The phone is broke up.